Hey guys, Sentinelist Dust here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to part 2 of trains at Manchester Piccadilly. We'll be continuing to see services from East Midlands Railway, Transport for Wales, Northern, Transpennine Express, East Midlands Railway, and maybe some freight as well. Here we have 158862. That is working in East Midlands Railway service to Norwich. Then we're going to have the late running 1036 Northern service to Hadfield. Uh, 158846 is on the rear. There's 323225. Then we're going to have a terminating Transport for Wales service from Llandudno. Oh no, it's going to Llandudno, I think. Llandudno Junction. So apparently all services to Manchester Airport are cancelled because of overhead wire problems. Points have just changed. So yeah, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, terminating now is going to be a Northern service from Rosehill Marple, as is an Avanti West Coast service from London Euston. 39112. One of the refurbished units. Although this might be the one from Rosehill Marple. I don't know what the 150 is. I'm trying to keep up with real-time trains and it's not really... Oh no, that's going to Bower-in-Furness. Oh, and there goes the 1047 Northern service to somewhere. So slowly working our way in. It's going to be 195115. Very slowly working our way in. Okay, that's going to Bower-in-Furness. And apparently it's... Is it passing? Well, it's running empty. Okay, so that's the 1050 Northern service to Bower-in-Furness. Okay, coming out now is going to be the late running 1045 Northern service to Blackpool North. And then we have coming in now is going to be a Northern service from... Oh, this is the very late running 1036 Northern service. Nice little way from the driver of 323239. And then we're going to have the 1050 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. I will get the numbers for you when she departs, and I believe the late running northern service to Manchester Airport is about ready to go. So we have working our way in. It's going to be 323225. Nice little tone from the driver. Looks like the Transpennine Express service is going for a crew change as well. Starting now is going to be the 10:58 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport, as we have the 10:51 Transport for Wales service to Llandudno Junction, as we have here a northern service going to some far and distant land. So leading away out on this one is going to be 185110. This is going to Cardiff Central. And then there's 197107. Going fast. Oh, hello. Where are you off to? Sun's in the wrong place. Well, there's 331018. I think that might be going to Blackpool North. Right. There's a Voyager coming down there. There's nothing departing. No, there isn't. Okay. Okay, terminating in now is going to be a northern service from, I've forgotten. Hadfield, that's it. As is a cross-country service from Bristol Temple Meads. 221126 is working the cross-country service. And then we have coming in now going to be the, I think it's the 1100 Transport for Wales service to somewhere. I believe Llandudno Junction or Cardiff Central. I'll get the number when she departs.
Stoke-on-Trent, start.
Okay, departing now is going to be, I don't know what time. Departure screens are dead. I think that might be off to the depot. 156402.
Service to Bristol Temple Meads. Please make your way to the very far departure at the platform.
On the front. On the rear is 156460. Going now, I don't know what time it's going. It's going to be the, thank you, a Transport for Wales service to Manchester Airport, 197109.
Training the far departure at the platform 8 is 1106 Northern Service 2 crew. Calling at 11 tube.
Okay, coming in now is going to be a Transpennine Express service to Saltburn. On the front is going to be 185116. And on the rear is 185141. Hello. Here we have 185128 with a Transpennine Express service to Huddersfield. And then we have terminating in is a terminating northern service. No idea where from. It's to be worked by 323234. Lovely. Okay, departing now is going to be the late running 10:55 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. It's to be worked by 39112, as is the, I don't know what time again, the Transpennine Express service to some far and distant land. I won't be able to get the number. I was literally just consulting real-time trains, and then I heard a pop hiss whine. Hello? Yeah, 10:55 to the next calling point will be Stockport. I can also hear the sound of the 185. Oh, it's going that way. Okay. And also coming in now is going to be a northern service to Manchester Airport. So the northern services to Manchester Airport must take a different route to the TPE ones, because all TPE trains going to Manchester Airport have been cancelled. So, leading this one in is 331103. Okay, coming in now is going to be a terminating Avanti West Coast service from London Euston. This will be worked by 39001. Be together. No pun intended. So I think this is that's the like to something. Oh, hello! To commemorate the Metro link. Well, there goes a northern service. I can hear the sound of a Voyager. Off to Hadfield. Then we're gonna have a cross-country service to Bristol Temple Meads, 221128. Oh, and the northern service to Manchester Airport is now off. Okay, coming in now is going to be a terminating northern service to from some far and distant land. Oh, I didn't get the number. Hang on, down fast. Where are you going? Uh, 195. I think that's 125. I can hear the sound of a 323. Indeed. Indeed it is. So, leading this one in is going to be 323239. Lovely. Quick behind me. I don't think there's anything else coming.
11:10 Northern service to Chester.
Okay, coming in now is going to be the 1107 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street. That'll be worked by 185 102. Can't catch a break. What's going to New Mill Central? I think it's that one. To where? Okay, coming in now is going to be terminating northern service under the West Midlands Railway to from somewhere. I think it's from New Mill Central or Rosehill Marple. Uh, 323220. And then coming in now down there is going to be the late running 1100 northern service to Manchester Airport. I will keep her rolling as she will come down here. Avanti Trains just turned his lights on. And it's mild. Oh, I think she is ready to go. So, leading this one in is going to be 195 117. It's not wet weather. Okay, out goes the 1110 Northern Service to Chester. That's going to be worked by 156406. Five, that's there. And I will keep it rolling as there are two more trains coming in. The first one is going to be a terminating northern service, worked by 195, and that's going to be worked by 195016, I think. The second one is going to be a cross-country service to Bournemouth, and that's going to be worked by 220008. Just checking to see if the 1115 service is going. and the 1110? The 1110 Northern service to Manchester Airport is ready to go. Is it? Someone going for a cab ride? I think someone has been taken for a cab ride. And then, coming in now is going to be a terminating Avanti West Coast service from Manchester Airport, really? What's London Euston? There we go. Can't find the words. Which will then form the 11:35 Avanti West Coast service back to London Euston. So, working our way in here is going to be 39049. One of the unrefurbished ones. Okay. Is the 11:15 service ready to go? Not yet. Okay, departing now is going to be the 11:15 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
Davenport, Waterford and Hazel Grove are advised that the next available service will be the 11:51 Northern service to Broxton. The trains would like to apologise for the cancellation of the service today and the inconvenience caused you.
When you're ready, Joan. So, and it is now 39001. Working our way out off to London Euston. Kind of central. There's a Transport for Wales 197 coming in. I don't know its origin, so I'm gonna have to check it. Right, I'm checking. Okay, so that is off to Liverpool Lime Street from Cleethorpes. 185-113. That's working the late running 11:05 service. This is great having, I've got my tripod on my camera now because my phone's run out of storage. So, working away in now is going to be the 11:10 terminating Transport for Wales service from Carmarthen. That'll be worked by 197014. I really hope one of the locomotive hauled Transport for Wales services comes in. Okay, going in out now is going to be the. Oh, well, it's going to be a northern service to New Mills Central. That is going to be worked by 195129. Okay, coming in now is going to be a Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes.
Just on platform 7, awaiting.
I'll get the number when she departs.
Service to London Euston due to train crew. This service today is delayed by up to 17.
I think that's 185137.
Nuneaton and London Euston. That's passengers arriving to travel.
Okay, departing now is going to be a northern service to Rosehill Marple. Working this one is going to be 195016. Is that Transport for Wales service leaving? Okay, and then departing now is going to be the Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes. Smells good. Coming in now is going to be a terminating northern service, 15114 on the front. Is that 156? No, it's a 150. It's a 151. And on the rear is 150 113. Running in numerical order. And then coming in now is going to be a terminating northern service to from Hadfield. Squeaky brakes. Where are you? You're a plane. Okay, coming in now is going to be a terminating northern service. I won't be able to get the origins of the terminating services because I can't really find anything. 15143 leads this one in. Is that a 397? And then we have a cross-country service to Bournemouth. Is it Bournemouth or Bristol? It looks like Bournemouth. That is 220008. Yes, it is. What's 802? There, and then we're gonna have the 11. What is it? 1128 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. I'll get the number when she departs. Familiar sighting in. Okay, coming in now is going to be a terminating. Thank you. Transpennine Avanti West Coast service from, I believe, London Euston. Just checking. It's now 11:28. Are you late running? Yeah, you are. This will be the late running service from London Euston, which will then form the 11:30. No, that's not. That'll be that one. Platform 6. London Euston. 11:44. I don't know. Hello. Oh, and what is it? The now late running 11:28 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport is ready to go. Slightly late running, it's like 1 minute late. And she's off. Manchester Airport only. I see a lot of green lights. Transport for Wales train leaving. No, it's not wet weather. Shut up, Susan. Oh, Blackpool. Okay, coming in now is going to be 331109 with the 11:30 northern service to Blackpool North. And about ready to go now should be the 11:30 something. Transport for Wales service to Carmarthen or to Chester. No, Carmarthen. It'll be Carmarthen. The late running. No. Are you going back to Carmarthen? You're going. Is it a platform alteration? 11:30. Slightly running 11:30 Transport for Wales service to Carmarthen. And then we're going to have 323236 with a, there's one on 7014. That is terminating in from Rosehill Marple. I think. And then we're going to have the 11:33 northern service to Hadfield. Looks like the 11:35 Avanti West Coast service isn't going for quite a while. Okay, you'll see in a second. Coming in now is going to be terminating Transpennine Express service from Huddersfield. And this is going to be worked by 185139. Oh, why have I zoomed in? Sorry, guys. I didn't realise I'd zoomed in that much. Are you departing? No? No. Okay, departing now is going to be a northern service off to some far and distant land. I'll get the departure board when she comes a bit closer. Spielwork by a Northern 323. Both Avanti West Coast trains are still there, and they're still meant to be working a service to London Euston. Oh, that's the late running service to Crewe. Okay, going now is going to be a northern service to Alderley Edge. Yes, I know it's in the West Midlands Railway colour scheme, but yeah. I'm gonna go now. Go and get something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, coming in now is going to be the late running 11:37 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. On the front was 158-777, and on the rear is 158-806. Is this guy now? No, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, I'm back. The only two major differences is this DVT, which is ready to go now. (82.226) is leading. Nice little tone there. (67029) Royal Diamond is on the rear. Then we have, I haven't consulted real-time trains yet. I think, as the 67 puts his foot down, I think this is terminating in. And then the other major difference is 390-119. Which is not ready to go. I think it's the one next to it. Has that got the green light? I don't think it has. Hello? Where are you going? Okay, so now terminating in is going to be 195112 from somewhere. (390-119) just turn his headlights on. There she is. Anything coming up here? No. It was literally in, straight in and straight back out again. That's 67. Well, I didn't know. Oh man, it's bedlam again. God, there's a 185 coming in. Sorry about the shaky camera work, guys. Just come out of a nice warm station concourse. Thank you. can sort real-time trains before that 195 comes in. It's now 12:36. I'll refresh the page. Okay, coming now is going to be a terminating northern service from Stoke-on-Trent, I think. No? Rose Hill Mark? No, surely not. It's Alderley Edge, I think. No? Huddersfield? Is that Huddersfield? I don't know, it's not. Yeah, it's not really corresponding to what is going on here. And then we have I think it's the 12:41 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool, to Norwich. So leading, it's Liverpool Line Street. Leading the way is going to be I think that was 883 and this is 799, so that is off to Liverpool Lime Street. Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street, that's the 12:37 service. Oh god, there's a 105 coming in. Okay, departing now is going to be the 12:38 northern service to Alderley Edge. And this will be worked by 331014. And I'll keep her rolling, as coming in now is going to be a terminating Trans-Pennine Express service from Huddersfield. So, slowly working our way in is going to be 185, 126, 128, 6, 128, 128.
Hi guys, you okay?
Okay, coming in now is going to be the 12:43 Transport for Wales service to Llandudno. Leading the way is going to be 397001. And departing now, platform 9, platform 9, platform 9, platform 9. Crew. Northern service to Crewe. Is going to be the late running 12:36 northern service to Crewe. It's not wet. Nice little two-tone from, well, four-tone actually, from 331, was it 029? It was indeed 029. Excuse you. Oh, hello. Who are you? Well, it's a East Midlands Railway service to Norwich. It is the 12:41 service to Norwich. Well, 12:43. Okay, departing now is going to be the 12:44 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich. Work by, on the front is 158810. And I think, is it just a 2-car or a 4-car? Brakes released. is 158858. Okay, coming in now is going to 195104 with apparently it's going to Bower and Furnace, but I can't see anything on real-time trains. And then here we have the 47 northern service from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. And here we have the 12:45 northern service to Stoke-on-Trent, worked by 323235. Okay, coming in, the last two trains of the day is going to be 195019 and 323225, with terminating services from Rosehill Marple, I think. And as they pull in, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Apart from that, thanks a lot for watching. I will see you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Goodbye. And I will leave and this will be a closing shot of 3310. I can't see because of the light. 331021 leaving. On the rear is 331015. In fact, I will leave this as a closing shot. Off to Sheffield. Or is it just back to being Bedlam again?